I was digging around the other day and I found some more of these. I like to use wooden shapes. I think I got these from Oriental Trading, maybe. I don't know. I've had them a while. But anyway, they make a nice finish, and they've got. So I am just cutting out the wooden shape. I'm going to try this and see if it works. I want a little definition. Not.
Word of warning.
Let
the ink completely dry before you try to handle it and the card at the same time.
Definition to the wood. I don't really want to use a background background paper on this, but I have to. I can, but I would rather have just the snowman down on the plain wood.
Got lucky on this. I did get fingerprints on the front in black ink, but it was a slick enough surface that it did not soak in.
Glue, or when you use ink. Glossy paper, and it is wiping off. Otherwise, I would have ruined another one. And this is very plain, without some type of embellishment on it.
I used some matte gold beads for his buttons. And I'm going to decorate with leftover diamond dot.
Board for some glue. Diamond dots have an applicator and what is supposed to be a permanent glue, but I don't really trust it in this application, so I am going to literally glue them on. I added blue pop dots to the scarf, some gold in the middle of the stars, and he had a couple of little red berries up in his hat. Just enough to give it a little bit of dimension. His butt, giving it a little bit of 3-dimension. I think I'm going to leave it at that. I was tempted to put a star on there. Well, maybe I can put a star up in the... These were too big for his tummy, but they might work up in the sky. Just a little. You don't want so much that it overwhelms. I'll make a twist. Still need something on the back. I think I'll go with the wreath. And that took some time, but very, very simple. Most of the time was me messing around with the pop dots. I know we had a lot of snowman this session. I had a lot of really cute snowman cards. So anyway, my name is Sarah. We're getting towards the end, so I hope you have been enjoying this. I'm not sure how many more I need, but we're less than a week away. So I go by the Thrifty Crafty Stitcher, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a good day.